So I got this Peep because I have the final one. And let's see if we can put it in the microwave. It's just a thing. Well, I'll try it out. Oh. Number one, I get the Peep right there. And I was pointing like this. Welcome to my fish tank. And I come to the stairs. And one, I put the Peep down so nobody will eat it. The second, where's the plate?
Those are the plastic plate.
What?
Those
Oh. Which plate did I use? I'm gonna do this.
Let me see.
Should I use the plate?
You should use a napkin.
Okay. Yeah, sounds like a good idea.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's try 1 minute. Well,
Okay.
let's try 50 seconds.
Oh,
my
no.
gosh, you were recording? Fabian, I look crusty.
Well,
Don't post this on anything, Fabian.
it's just my video call.
Okay, but you can't post it on YouTube or TikTok.
I'm gonna make a video call.
Okay, then you have to cut out the part where my face shows, okay? If not, I'm gonna sue you for showing my face. Don't
Wow.
cry. Oh,
Whoa.
do you see it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, Harvey, don't scare me. Boy, what the? Alright, that's it.
Okay, yeah.
Boy, what the? Los pajaritos. Dijo, ¿qué pasa si lo ponemos en la microondas y no? Smells like a burnt marshmallow. Don't show my face.
Okay.